Hey guys, it's Bethany from Daydream, and we're going to show you a project that we've been working on for a couple weeks now. We've been updating our attic space and making it a more livable family area, but we have these two closet door openings in our attic that are just open to all of our storage where we keep Christmas stuff and luggage and snowboards, and it's just a hot mess, as you can see. So we are planning to cover them with beautiful barn doors that my loving husband has been building for the last couple weeks, and they turned out amazing. For the tutorial on the doors, be sure to read the corresponding blog post. But today we're going to talk about how we're partnering with National Hardware and their barn door hardware. And they have these awesome bypass brackets that allow the doors to slide in front of each other, so you don't have to have space off to the side, like wall space for the barn door to slide off to. They just kind of slide behind each other so you can access your stuff. So we're going to show you how to install the hardware on these barn doors. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, Nick here. So National Hardware recommends that we use a 1x6 for a header board. That way we're not screwing in directly into drywall. So what I've done is I shot a laser line here. It's 2 inches above the doorway. And typically you'd go 2 inches beyond your doorway, but because of how the roof line is slanted here, we're gonna have to get a little bit creative. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure and find where all the studs are and mark those out, and then we'll mark this angle so we can cut our header board to fit. So I moved the laser line up to where the top of the header board is gonna be, and I'll go ahead and mark my studs with my stud finder. You just push the button, and you guys have probably used the stud finder before. I'm taking this tool, this transfer or marking tool, and just kind of marking the angle that I'll need to cut this header board. So I have this level with the top, and that should give me the angle that I need for that board. I got the header board up here, and we want to make sure that it's level. So it's on the level mark there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and screw these trim screws into the stud. Alright, so next we take our door height measurement and then add 1 3/4 inches to it and mark it. So I put the laser line at that mark. So this is door height plus 1 3/4 inches. And then the instructions have us taking our first piece of track and centering it on that line so that the laser is going through the center of all the holes. And we're going to mark that first big hole. So now that I have my circle marked for this bypass bracket, I'm going to line it up and make sure that it's lined up with this circle. And I have my laser here so I know that it's level up and down, and I'm going to mark my 4 slotted holes here. Alright, now that we marked these 4 holes, we're going to take a 1/4 inch drill bit and drill the center of each of those slots. So we'll go ahead and put on this first rail, and that's how we'll get the measurement for the next bypass bracket. So now I have this second bracket up, and making sure that things are centered with the level still, I am going to take and mark these 4 holes. So I have this bracket put up, and then I got my bar put up, or the slide, or whatever we're calling it, put up, and I have this bolt in here. I move my laser line from the center to the top so I can check it for level, and it's pretty level where it is. Let me go ahead and tighten that guy down. Now I'm going to go ahead and put these other two brackets in their corresponding spots here, and we will then mark where these brackets go once they get up there. After getting these holes located, I mounted these two brackets. I took down the bar so I can get the lower holes, and while I had it down, I put this stop on it because I won't be able to do it once I get the bar up. So I will go ahead and reinstall this bar. So, National Hardware gave us this fancy template, and they said to go 2 inches in from the edge, but because of our angled walls, we're gonna go pretty much right over the edge here. Make sure that this is lined up. And this is 1.5 inches down. So we're gonna mark it. Okay, so we have these two guys installed. Now we need to install the anti-jump discs. The instructions say to mark it at 2 inches here, and then to find the center, which is right about there. There she goes.
Beautiful.
Okay. Now we're gonna put up the second rail here. So part of the kit comes with these door guides, and there's two styles. There's this one, and then there's one that is on both sides. If I had a single door, then that would go, you know, right there, if that was a single. And then we'd have to route out a space for that. But there's also one that goes on both sides. Again, because these doors are sliding all the way, it doesn't really make sense for us to put these on here. So we're gonna skip that step. The last step is to put these stops on. Now I put these on before I put the brackets up because it's right up against the single wall. But typically you would just slide it on the end, and to do that, they give you this Allen wrench here, but there's a couple set screws that you'd unscrew and slide on. And then of course to set that is where you want it to stop. You would slide your door, and then slide it out of the way and tighten up your set screws. And lastly, National Hardware provides you with these little black plugs to fill any of these holes that you have left open. You don't see them. And that's it. We have sliding doors. I can't see your pants.
It's okay, it just helps me to know that my love handles are like in my pants.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Door brackets and they're bypass brackets so that the barn doors will slide in front of each other. Hold on, sis. Mommy's making a video. So yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Okay.
Do a little perk.
Like my boobs?
Just kidding.
Are they better?
Oh yeah.
Great. Trying to get the lights are reflecting in the glass. Right there.
We can shut the lights off.
Just talk.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
You are?
We can cut it later.
Oh, okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Nick from Reality Daydream.
And we're partnering with National Hardware and their barn door hardware to have bypass brackets. We have to start over. This doesn't work with her.
You ready?
Yeah.
Nick here.
No.
No. Scary. Whoa.
Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna stop. My arm's tired.